beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm super thrilled because you know what, I'm going to show you how you can formulate your own moisturizing shampoo for double hair growth. So actually this video was recommended by Sandra Lopez, but unfortunately, like, I ran out of protein, hydrolyzed protein, keratin, and wheat protein. So I ended up making this moisturizing shampoo for double hair growth. So Sandra Lopez, thank you so much. A shout out to you, Sandra Lopez. But of course, next time I'm going to make a fortifying shampoo for double hair growth. Yes, so this is our alternative. So like, this conditioner has products which will promote hair growth, yes, and massive, growth, and it will clean your scalp without, or build up without stripping your hair. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end if you want to make this video and shampoo. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So I'm going to start with glyceride and guar. So I'm using hibiscus glyceride. Make sure that you hydrate it before adding it to your water phase. So guar has thickening and stabilizing properties, while glycerin is a humectant, like you to draw moisture from the environment and pump it to your hair shaft. So actually we are making 300-gram batch, and before you do anything, you have to make sure that you sanitize your area. And I just sanitized my hands, because I'm not using gloves today, so I had to sanitize my hands. This is very important. So that is how it looks like after, hydrating it. So now we are adding in our water. So actually that is 132 grams of our water, and we're also using watermelon, that is 35.5. So they'll act as diluent. And you know what, like, watermelon has moisturizing properties which will actually help our hair to be so moisturized. And we're also adding in our guar, which is hydrated, that is our water phase. So guar 1.5, and then the 9 gram of our glycerin. So make sure that you hydrate it, like add it. This is actually the water phase. We're also adding in our glucoside and beta. So glucoside 60 gram and 30 gram of our beta. And so all these are they have moisturizing, like, surfactants. They are gentle and mild and not drying. So it's like a great choices for our moisturizing shampoo. So now we are stirring. Don't stir vigorously. We are stirring gently so that we don't see any foams. Yes, just stir it strategically. So once you are done, like, you need to set it apart, and then we'll go to our oil phase. So this is our oil phase. We are adding in the high quart. So the high quart is actually an emulsifier. It's a conditioning agent. It will act as an emulsifier, and it will help not to make the product separate. And also adding in so our emulsifier is 14 grams, and then we are adding in our coconut oil, which is 12 grams. So you have to make sure that you go for penetrating. Also, coconut oil is one of the great choices as it has high penetrating of all oils. So that is our water phase A and B. Now for phase C, we have deep ethanol. So deep ethanol actually draws moisture from the environment and pumping it to your hair. And we're also going to use our pH strips to adjust the pH, and we're also going to add in 1% of our natural preservatives. So this is phase C. Now you have to make sure that you heat phase A and B at lower temperature. So we've just heated them and they are warm, and as you can see, like, the oil has melted. So you have to add phase B to phase A. So we are adding in phase A to phase B. That is our oil phase to water phase. And once you are done, like, make sure that you blend it with a handheld blender, whatever gadgets that you have. But I recommend a handheld blender or a shear. This is very important so that the products are well combined. Now, at this point, you have to make sure that you let it cool before adding in your cool phase. Yes, so that is how it looks like. So now I'm going to use a scale just to be precise with the measurements. So now I'm going to add, our Parthenon. Actually, for Parthenon, we are going for 3 grams of our Parthenon. So like it's very, very moisturizing. And we are going to add in our 1 gram of our natural preservative. Actually, I'm using the high quat 1%, because you don't want microbials to start growing in your product. This is a very important step in formulation. And once you are done, you have to make sure that you blend it so that all the ingredients are well combined. As you can see, like it's coming up so well. It's well combined and homogenized. So at this point, I'm getting my pH strips. This is very important to see the pH of our shampoo. So actually, it falls between 5 and 6, which is very much okay. So in this case, we're not going to add in any citric acid. So now I've gotten a clean sterilized bottle here. We are about to store our products. Is now ready. Like at this point, we are super, super excited because our product is ready. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then subscribe to our channel. So this is how our product looks like. So we just putting a pump. So a pump is very convenient because you won't be touching inside, inviting microbials. So that is how it looks like. It looks so perfect. I love that natural color. But of course, you can add in colorants, but I didn't want to add any colorants. So that is how it looks like. It looks so, so, so beautiful. And at this point, I'm super, super thrilled because you know what? This was a success. When you are successful, like that feeling, no? That is how I was feeling. Like I was so, so happy. And I thank. So now, like I've just rinsed out my pre-shampoo. You can check that video which we did, and or I'll link it in the description box below. So now I've just rinsed, and then I'm going to apply the shampoo on the scalp. Like I concentrate the shampoo on the scalp. So shampoo is for the scalp, and then conditioner is for the hair strand, so you don't have to make that mistake. Yes, so actually I'm wishing you a 2020 new year. Yes, thank you so much, friends, like for your love and your support. I really appreciate you. So like, you know what, in 22 there are a lot of videos which are packed with informative, informative videos. So make sure that you keep on checking on this channel. Yes. So it's time to shampoo our hair. So now like the pump wasn't working, but of course I needed to cut it, but we don't have that time. Yeah, so now I'm just getting our shampoo and we're going to concentrate it on the scalp, as you can see. So at this point, like, I'm just braiding the hair because it revolves, so that we can go and rinse out our shampoo. Yes. So like, you know what, like, this is a success, you know. Look at that form. Yes, this is what we want. This is what we look for as naturals, right? Yes. So I'll definitely like going to include this shampoo in my line. You know, of course, like, I haven't yet launched, but by God's grace, I'm going to launch next year. So now I've been trying out different you know, formulations, so that we can add it to our line. So I'm happy because this is a success. So at this point, like, look at that. I'm so happy. So I'm just rubbing it on our scalp. Yes, so like, our hair will be so cleansed, well moisturized without being stripped. So we are going to shower. So I've just rinsed out the shampoo, and you know what? I went against Naturals rules, right? I used a towel, you know, because I couldn't see where my t-shirts for wash day are. So we went for a towel. So at this point, like, our hair is so clean. I'm telling you, I love this shampoo. Like, my hair was so soft and not stripped. But of course, like, on the top here, as you can see, like, I need to go in with more water. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Yes, and thank you to my viewers. Yes, I appreciate you guys for your support. So I'm going to proceed and deep condition my hair. Yes, so you can check the video out tomorrow, how I deep condition my hair with ashwagandha, you know, garlic, ginger deep conditioner for massive or double hair growth. Yes, so bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video. Thank you and take care.